Yeah, I've been watching this the other day. This BBC documentary. Some team, British team, near some exotic islands, you know, unexplored. I think it was French Guiana, one of them, and they plan to, in 2 months' time, to simply discover new species. Other insects, birds, snakes, there's a chipmunk too here hiding somewhere. You can see him now. Yeah, so I descended from the shoulder of Mist Mountain, which is up there. The last between 2700 and 2900 or maybe 2800 and all the way to the highest point I've been today. There was 50 maybe? There was a hard ice, hard snow, and I had my crampons and my ice socks, and it seems like at one time I was barely able to stop myself. Oh, I mean, not barely able, actually, sorry. I had to use my ice socks. Without an ice socks, I would have been able to stop myself. My heels, you know, to kick my heels, and these poor boots are already destroyed, you know. The heels, it's a lesson, you know. The summer is you need crampons above 2800 meters, you know, and ice socks. Yeah, so it was very windy, and the weather looked like that, but worse, you know, when I was on a summit, and I said, don't take any chances. Besides, well, it's clearing up now. I don't know for how long, but it is not worth it, you know. Don't take any chances. So it's pretty much, you know, I'm descending. I'm going to be in a daylight by the time I get to the car eventually. So that's good. Yeah, so from here on in it's pretty much scree and then a traverse with snow, but not a big deal. You can kick your foot in a snow footsteps, almost like post holing, and it's pretty easy. I shall continue my descent. So that was it. I don't see the chipmunk to film it yet again. Yeah, that's it.